Have you ever looked at a millionaire who is young, traveling the world, and thought, what do they know that I don't? Society tells us a very specific story. Get good grades, get a safe job, save 10% of your paycheck, put it in a mutual fund, and wait. Wait 40 painful years. Then when you're 65 and sitting in a wheelchair, congratulations, you're finally rich. Welcome back to Rik Summary, where we turn the world's most powerful books into life-changing ideas. If you are tired of the old, broken advice about money, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are tearing down the biggest financial myth of our generation, the myth that wealth takes a lifetime to build. We are breaking down the core philosophy from one of the most ruthless, eye-opening financial guides ever written. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why the traditional path to wealth is flawed. More importantly, you will discover the blueprint to decouple your time from your income. I'm going to show you how to build a machine that prints money while you sleep, so you can live rich now, not 50 years from now. Let's dive in. Imagine you are standing in front of 3 different roads. These are the 3 financial roadmaps that dictate exactly how your life will play out. The first road is the sidewalk. The sidewalk is crowded. It's where most people live. Sidewalkers are trapped in the illusion of instant gratification. They make money and they immediately spend it. They buy the flashy car, the designer clothes, the expensive dinners, all on credit. They look rich, but they are one missed paycheck away from total disaster. They don't own their lives. Their debt owns them. But let's assume you're smarter than that. You step off the sidewalk and onto the second road, the slow lane. The slow lane is the golden child of society. It's what your teachers and parents preached. Settle down, work hard for the corporation, clip coupons, skip the $5 coffee, max out your retirement account. Here is the dark truth about the slow lane. It relies on 2 things you cannot control: the stock market and time. You're gambling that the economy won't crash when you need to retire. And even worse, you are trading your youth for a payday you might not even be healthy enough to enjoy. Wealth in a wheelchair isn't freedom, it's a consolation prize. But then, there is the third road, the hidden road, the fast lane. The fast lane is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a get-rich-quicker reality. It is a mathematical formula based on creating explosive wealth in a short period of time. How? By severing the connection between your time and your money. To enter the fast lane, you must undergo a violent mental shift. You have to kill the consumer mindset and become a producer. Consumers watch videos, producers make them. Consumers buy digital courses, producers build them. Consumers scroll through social media ads, producers run those ads to sell their products. Imagine you create a high-value digital product bundle. Maybe it teaches generative AI, data analytics, or e-commerce strategies. You spend 2 months building it. It's hard work, it's grueling, but once it's done, it's done. You set up a web page. You launch a targeted social media ad campaign. You go to sleep. While you're dreaming, someone in London clicks your ad. They buy. Someone in Tokyo buys. Someone in New York buys. You wake up, check your phone, and you've made a week's salary while you were completely unconscious. That is the fast lane. Your income is no longer tied to the hours you physically work. Your product is doing the heavy lifting. But how do you know if your idea is actually a fast lane vehicle? The author provides a ruthless filter. It's called the CENTS framework. CENTS. If your business doesn't hit these 5 commandments, it's just a disguised job. Number 1, control. Do you own the platform? If you build your entire business on a borrowed algorithm and they ban your account, you have no control. You must own your brand. Number 2, entry. Is it easy to start? If anyone can fill out a form and do what you do, like driving for a rideshare app, the barrier to entry is 0. And where entry is easy, competition is vicious. You want to do things that are hard. Difficulty is your moat. Number 3, need. This is where most people fail. They say, I want to follow my passion. Listen to me closely. The market does not care about your passion. The market only cares about what it needs. Does your product solve a burning pain? Does it save people time? Does it make them feel better? Chase needs, not passions. Number 4, time. Can your business exist without you physically being there? If you step away for a month, does the income stop? If yes, you don't have a business, you have a job. And finally, number 5, scale. Can you sell to 10 people just as easily as you can sell to 10,000? A local coffee shop has a limit. They can only serve so many cups a day. But a digital course on financial trading or an e-commerce brand, you can scale that to the entire globe with the push of a button. All of this builds to one inescapable, brutal truth. The single most important rule of the fast lane. You cannot get rich by demanding money. Money is simply a reflection of the value you provide to the world. It is called the law of effection. If you want to make millions, you must impact millions. Stop trying to manifest wealth. Start trying to manifest massive value. Find a massive problem, build a scalable solution, and put it in front of a massive audience. When you shift your focus from how do I make money to how do I solve this problem for 1 million people, the money becomes an automatic byproduct. The slow lane demands your life. The fast lane demands your innovation. Yes, it takes extreme discipline. Yes, it takes building an engine from scratch, but the reward is something you cannot put a price tag on. Freedom. The freedom to wake up on a Tuesday, look out the window, and know that you completely own your time, your choices, and your future. Stop settling for the wheelchair wealth plan. Step off the sidewalk. Get out of the slow lane. It's time to start building your engine. If this shifted your perspective today and you are ready to take control of your financial roadmap, hit that subscribe button. We are bringing you more ideas that actually change your life every single week here on Rik Summary. Drop a comment below and let me know, are you a consumer or are you ready to become a producer? Keep building. See you in the next one.